Hey everybody, this is a 2010 Chrysler Sebring. We did oil pressure sensor, which is located right there between the axle shaft and exhaust system. So it's very difficult to do it unless you have to take the whole axle out. But we did it without that. So you need to take this transmission support from here. It's holding by 2 bolts here and 2 bolts here and 3 bolts on that side. Once you remove this one, you can put it on the side like this, and then that'll give you plenty of room to go ahead and remove that. It's right there. That shield has to come off. You don't have to take all the 3 bolts out, but you take the 2 bolts out and it'll give you enough access that you can open it and replace it. I hope this helped anybody. If it does, share and subscribe.